Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Mr. iPhone. This video tutorial is about how to fix speaker gray out in iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. That's I'm gonna show you how to fix. Let's go.
If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon also.
See guys, there is a loudspeaker not highlighting after calling somewhere. Okay, turn off your phone. First you need remove the battery connector. After removing battery connector, remove all connector carefully. This board is looking good, but remove audio IC carefully. After remove audio IC, clean, plain and shiny without panic, okay? See guys, that is the main problem in your motherboard. This point we will make again scratch some for the jumper. Scratch carefully. I'm gonna show you where you have to scratch, okay, and how to jumper over there. Guys, this type you have to do over there. Guys, we have to make nano jumper over here. I am making a jumper. When you're done for jumper ring, then you can revolve your IC like that, okay? Don't panic. After you revolving, that's ready to install in your logic board. Guys, you have to confirm for what is your IC position, okay? Then hit with hot gun, not iron, okay? After you install, wait little time for rest your IC, okay? See, IC is perfectly in position. You can see. After this, you can fix on housing and turn on your phone. When you on your phone, check for calling somewhere. See guys, the speaker is highlighting now. Your problem is fixed. Now, thank you for the watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay.